everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Somo Data Group. So today we are going to go through the sales dashboard of sales agent performance dashboard. So it will helpful for non-voice BPO company and BPO voice process company. So it will helpful for the all the companies based on the sales agent performance dashboard. So we have received a call-based analysis and BPO voice process international voice. So we are getting the categories of raw file. So I was created this dashboard using Excel file, not Power BI. So this Excel file I was used in the two category only. So first categories I was used only the raw file. Based on the raw file, I was created the pivot table. Based on the pivot table, I was created this dashboard. So this is simple steps. We have a limited raw file data columns. Based on the limited columns, we have created this much dashboard, this much wonderful creativity dashboard, sales agent performance dashboard. So we want to analyze the monthly wise value analysis and call research and deal closure analysis and call drop rate percentage, monthly call duration analysis. So this type of analysis we want to create means we need to derive the more insight of business oriented categories. So I'm going to explain each and everything one by one. So here I have created the raw file based on the dashboard. So here total calls, how many calls we did, and we made it how many calls we made, total calls. So 14,808 calls we made it, and reached calls because how many people are reacted the call, agent versus customer, so that bonding how much, so we need to calculate that also. So closed call 976, and what is the worth of the values. So here we have value wise also we are going to analyze. So here I mentioned calls reached, closed, and value. So here I was created the slicer based on the name, like a agent, QA, team leaders, and managers wise. We have a subcategories also we can denoted here based on the slicer. So here I was mentioning monthly wise value analysis. See how much which month we are in a growth, we are in a degrowth. We can easily identify with which month we are in a growth. So comparatively, December month and October month we have in the growth, and the least one is July month 41.9k. So this is value for the monthly deal value analysis and call reach and deal closer analysis. Agent versus customer, how much calls they are done and they are closer with the customer. So client side is also they are how they are dealing with the customers, client and agents. So with the derive, I was created the month and monthly wise. So here January month 87 calls completed, deal closes, and out of 247, so 88 out of 262 we have deal closer analysis. So this is very important to understand the call durations and all everything. So here I was created the table like a sales agent KPI performance. So everyone on voice and non-voice and BPO company side, they month on month they are giving particular target and values wise target. So we need to understand which KPI parameter they are achieved. So based on the KPI parameter performance, I was created this one. So here's what is agent name and total call and deal closed and call reached and total values, deal of the values. So here I was segregated each and everything based on the KPI parameters. So here call drop rate percentage, I was created month on month. Everything I was created only month on month based because we need to comparatively understand the analysis business insights based on the month on month. So here we have call rate percentage, I mean value wise. See here I was created duration analysis, monthly call duration analysis. So is it here the count I was created the month on month. So this dashboard very useful to understand the like international voice process and non-voice BPO companies. So now I'm going to explain my raw file data. So this is my raw file data. So based on the raw file data, we have total 9 columns. So based on the 9 columns, name, date, total calls, call reached, average durations, and the deal closed, call conversations, and deal value, call drops. So based on the Nine columns. We are creating the dashboard. See, this is the raw file. Based on the raw file, I was created the pivot table. So based on the pivot table only, I was created the dashboard. Example, I'm not using any formulas and advanced level formulas. So I was used only the pivot table. So everyone easily create the dashboard based on the pivot. See, here I have created the what is the sum of values, total calls based on the pivot table. See, month on month, what is the sum of values and average of the durations call and drop rate percentage. So here I have created only the pivot. Based on the pivot, I was created this dashboard. So I hope this dashboard will helpful to everyone. So I will ping this raw file to my description link. You can download the free of cost. And if you leave any comments and feedback also, you can ping my comment. And thank you so much for giving so wonderful opportunity, team. And have a nice day to all.